was in the car for these types of things, but right now we're about to go put on Aerocatch latches on the carbon fiber hood. It just shakes a little bit when I'm driving, especially on the highway, and I just don't want to risk it, you know, flying up and hitting the windshield or anything like that. So we're about to just go ahead and put these on. This is what they look like. Simple, you just, you know, the latch goes in there, locks in place. So let's go ahead and head to Diamond Motors and get this put on. Just made it to Diamond. You see closely right there, that's Tony's car right there, put his at. He just got that Barris rear bumper, sick. This is so clean. But yeah, Tony's car, super clean. That Barris bumper looks crazy. So Diamond does body work and everything, so if you are out in San Diego area, definitely hit up Diamond. I guess you could say they kind of specialize in Evos, but they do, as you can see, like all cars. You know what? I might just go ahead and take Tony's rear bumper real quick and his wing. And they are on the car now. And they're put on this way because, per se, if they did pop up, you know, like unlatch and stuff, as I'm driving, the wind would keep this down. So they're technically aerodynamically correct. All right. So we about to go to the gym right now. Hey, but peep the shorts though. These gym shorts are fucking gas. Look, I'm trying to get for y'all. These right here, so comfortable, lightweight. This is the brand. I put the ad on the screen. Yeah, but these things, they have like a whole bunch of different anime ones. I have the Naruto one, Kakashi? No, Sasuke, and then Itachi. Alright, let's head to the gym. Alright, so we made it to the gym. We got chest and tries today. Where should we go? You ready? Yeah. You want to be me so bad.
You copied me first.
Hey, flex. Let me see.
There's nothing there to flex, baby.
Flex the tricep. Let me see.
Huh?
Flex your
How
tricep.
do you fix it?
Just push it down. Push. Yeah. It's coming in. It's coming in.
Nothing in there.
Baby
It's
ties.
fat.
How is it? Chest tries and a little bit of core? Oh. Alright guys, so we just finished washing up the car. We're about to head to an overdue meet right now. So let's go ahead and make it that way. I mean, it looks pretty good right now, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty packed here. I think it's gonna be a good turnout though. Look at all the cars that you lined up. Parked by the Evo homies. You already know. I'm gonna start taking some pics out here. What? Oh hell no! You know I just say ooh to a Subi. Clean ass NSX. This is clean. Cherry. This is a super nice red. Like, you can't see it really in person, but it's actually darker than this. neon, I don't know. I'm not really a fan of neon, to be honest. Oh, that's sick. Blue Angels NSX. It's pretty clean. Mustang. Damn, look at that wing. That thing is huge. Hella downforce, gotta be. Oh, I didn't even notice. That's like a little helmet. No, I meant the helmet inside. I saw it. Oh, hold on. We gotta get this. The homie Gabe. Oh, yeah, no. Alright. I know I said neon, I don't really like it. But this one's pretty sick. Oh, like a little rainbow stereo collar. Pretty gas. Cool. Is there a rainbow? They're like drifting or something over there, so let's go see what that's about. He's doing burnouts, I guess. I guess he's next. This shit stink. Yeah. Oh, they're sliding. He bust his shit. He bust his shit. No, get in the grill. And he's gone. He's gone.
Really?
Hey, that dude picked up. The dude picked up his grill, started running with it. S2K boys. This is sick. Not her getting aesthetic with it. You got the shots or what? You got the shots? You got the shots?
What shots?
Oh,
Of course, I'm a better one than you.
better more than you.
You know what I mean. That gas.
cops were over there where they're drifting and stuff. So we better head out. You ready? Let's see. That's the Evo family still there. Why are you running?
Because there's cars behind you.
You got the same wheel. But more Evos did indeed join us. That was pretty sick. Oh. Damn. Sheepy ETS clean. Hey, Raising Cane's right there. You trying to go eat? Let's go.
If you're recording, we'll use your foot in the user. Is that it?